So this is the installation video of WST01, which is the multi-purpose workstation which I have ordered. So these are the pieces that will come out from the table. There will be tabletops, there will be the bottom frame, there will be some wheels, some screws and some rods. So these are the parts which will come along with the product. So first we will put the wheels on this particular frame which is there. So total there will be 4 wheels. It is a basic wheel with the screw which will be directly screwed in this particular hole. So that's how you will fit the 4 wheels at the bottom. So now the 4 wheels have been fitted below. So we will move on to the next step now. So now we will fit this caps in this particular gap which is there on both the sides. So you can also lock these wheels. So now it is not locked. Okay, so it moves. Now you can pull it up and the wheel is locked. Okay, so when you pull it up the wheel is locked, you put it down the wheel is unlocked. So now you have to fit the side brackets on both the side. Okay, so the side brackets are removable. Okay, and then you have to fit it inside. And the screws, there are these screws which needs to be which needs to be fitted from below. So from below you have to fit the screws on both the sides. So you can reverse this particular thing and then put the screws from the top. So it's easier to screw that on both the sides. So now since these screws are fitted, so this particular base is now ready. Now again you can rotate it and move on to the next step of the installation. So now we will put the lower layer. There are 4 screws here and then there are 4 holes here. So this will be fit onto here with the help of the screws. So these screws will be used to actually fit the particular tabletop to the lower layer of the frame. So now this particular rod will be fitted here. And then you have to use the screws from below and fit it from both the sides. So yeah, the screws will actually be fitted from above only. So that's how the screw will be fitted on both the sides. So here only one screw is needed and this becomes very firm. Okay, now we will move on to the next step. So now there will be 2 side frames which will be fitted on the top. Okay, and there will be 2 screw holes which will be fitted here. So you have to fit both the side frames like this. Now the second layer will be put, which is B6. It will be screwed here, okay, and the screw will go from below. So this is the screw, okay, and it will be screwed from below. So now the above layer we will put, which is like the third layer, okay, it is B9. So there are 4 screw holes here and it will be fitted here, the 4 screw holes on the top. So this is the topmost layer. So these are the 4 screws which will be used and the above tabletop will be fitted and it will be screwed from below. And this is the last layer, okay, which is B7. Here also there are 4 screw holes and it will be fitted here where there are 4 screw holes. So once you have fitted that, your entire table installation is complete. Where there is the above layer, there is a layer for the keyboard, then there is a layer for keeping something, and then there is a final below layer. So your multi-purpose workstation is then completed.